Hello everyone, this is Sidhikha and you're watching SDK Garden channel. Welcome. And today we're gonna talk about this plant. I really can't find the name of this plant. If you any one of you know this plant name, please comment below. So I've repotted this plant 2 days before and it turned out like this. So what I did when I'm repotting this plant, I just took out the plant just from the pot and just wriggled the roots of this plant. I didn't separate it, but I just wriggled so that the roots will spread to new soil as well. So I just wriggled it, that's it. I didn't do anything. If any of you have seen plant with you, you also may experience this when you're reporting this, because it is not new thing with this plant. With all of this all of these types of this plant, you can find some green color of this type plant also. Same thing happens with them as well. So when you repot this plant, if you touch the root ball, of course you will have to touch when you're repotting. So when you touch the root ball, what happens in 2-3 days after it all the leaves will dry out, and then you don't have to worry. I have one more plant, same plant with me. I reported this 2 weeks before. I have good results with that. I will show you in a minute. So what happens with this plant is all these leaves will dry up and then new growth will come up. It won't die when you use cuttings, or if you repot this plants, anything, it won't die. It will never die until you expose it to very sunlight, or you don't maintain, you don't water, or worst cases you can see all the leaves will fall off. Sooner or later all the leaves will fall off except the new growth. I almost did everything. Strong leaves remains. You can just clear the stuff, water it. If you didn't fertilize it, you don't have to worry anything. Just wait for it and it will show new growth like this. Can you see? Let me focus. Can you see the new growth? New colorful growth. In 1 month or in 1.5 months, this plant will have all the leaves and will be back beautiful. This is a normal case. You don't have to worry. Plant will not die. It will just grow with new leaves. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to watch more videos. Thank you. Happy gardening.